When it comes to drilling through metal, not just any bit will do. Metal demands strength, precision, and heat resistance, and using the wrong bit can lead to dull tips, wasted time, and ruined materials. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 drill bit sets on Amazon. Let's begin with the Drill America M42 Cobalt drill bit set, widely regarded as one of the best for hardened metals. This 29-piece set features M42 Cobalt steel, which includes 8% cobalt content, giving it superior heat resistance and edge retention. It also comes with a 135-degree split point tip that reduces walking and makes precise starts easier, especially when drilling into slick or tough surfaces. What sets this set apart is its longevity. It holds an edge much longer than standard HSS bits, even when used on stainless steel or cast iron. Users appreciate the clean cuts and consistent performance, making it ideal for professionals who rely on their tools to deliver under pressure. Next, we have the Milwaukee Red Helix Cobalt drill bit set, another 29-piece powerhouse that's especially effective on high-strength steel. Constructed with M35 cobalt alloy, these bits feature a quad-edge tip and variable helix flute design. This design not only speeds up chip removal, but also reduces heat buildup during prolonged drilling. These bits are known for their balance of affordability and high-end performance, and they shine particularly when paired with handheld drills. If you're tackling metal fabrication projects or need bits that can handle repetitive drilling tasks without dulling quickly, the Milwaukee Red Helix set offers a compelling mix of innovation and strength. For those working with softer metals like aluminum, brass, or copper, the DeWalt Pilot Point Titanium Drill bit set is a smart and cost-effective option. This 21-piece set features titanium-coated bits that offer increased durability over standard steel bits while maintaining a sharp tip. The standout feature here is the Pilot Point tip, which eliminates bit walking and ensures a smooth, clean start every time. While titanium bits aren't designed for hardened steel, they work beautifully on softer metals and even perform well on wood and plastic, making this set a great choice for general-purpose use. It's a go-to for hobbyists, DIYers, and light-duty professionals who want versatility and reliability in one affordable package. Moving up in professional-grade quality, the Bosch CO14BM42 Cobalt drill bit set is a compact yet highly capable 14-piece set designed for consistent performance on high-density metals. With an M42 Cobalt construction and 135-degree split points, these bits are built to drill through stainless steel, cast iron, and other abrasive materials without losing their edge. Bosch is known for their engineering precision, and this set is no exception. It offers excellent value for money for those who don't need a full 29-piece kit but still want access to the most commonly used sizes. The compact case makes it convenient to carry on job sites or store in toolboxes. Finally, we have the Norseman 44170 Cobalt drill bit set, a product that has earned a cult following among professionals on platforms like Reddit. Made in the USA, these bits are precision ground and extremely durable, with a reputation for staying sharp even after repeated use on hardened steel. Many users report that these bits can be used with a hand drill and still perform at a level that rivals drill press setups. The 29-piece set covers the full range of fractional sizes, and the build quality is evident the moment you hold one. Though it comes at a premium price, it's an investment that pays off in both performance and longevity, especially for tradespeople and metalworkers. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp with the right tools, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, expert recommendations, and professional tips to upgrade your workshop or job site.